Hello everyone. The topic I choose to talk about is protecting nature. To begin with, nature provides us with clean air, fresh water, and potted land. However, the environment has been growing increasingly polluted due to numerous human activities. Garbage is being thrown away recklessly. As a result, many living things are being harmed by this garbage. Plastic, for example, is eaten by turtle or fish and damages their internal organs. I could mention cigarette buttons too. They are discarded by humans, become food for animals, and threaten their lives. The garbage we throw away causes great damage to many creatures. Later on, the damage caused by the garbage may come back to us. Therefore, from now on, we must know the seriousness of environmental pollution and protect the environment. Let's find out something we can do to protect the environment. First, we need to separate and send out the recyclable waste. Recovering recyclable resources can reduce the use of raw materials needed to produce new products. Second, you have to use a tumbler. The use of a tumbler can prevent waste of disposable cups. Plastic cups and paper cups take a long time to disassemble, but tumblers can be used repeatedly and they are eco-friendly. Finally, energy must be saved. Keep the proper indoor temperature and unplug unused plugs. As for LED lighting, it can reduce power consumption. There are many other ways to protect nature. We cannot live or exist without nature. It is not too late now. Remember that the small actions we can practice now. I hope we can protect our nature together for the living things on Earth. Thank you for listening to my story so far.